Section 3.7 is composition of functions or just composite functions. So first let's define that. So a composite function is two or more, usually two, but two or more functions that are combined. By placing the results of one function into the other. So let's say our functions are f of x and g of x. A composite function, one example would be f. So this little symbol here is composed with. So f composed with g of x, or f of g of x. So I usually say both of these as f of g of x, okay? And I prefer this way of writing it. And the biggest thing is you work from the inside out. Okay, here's a couple functions. 2x squared plus 3x and x minus 7. We'll find f of g of negative 2 first for part A. I'm going to rewrite this like this. And I pretty much always do this, it just looks nicer. Sometimes I also draw this arrow because we start with the inside and work our way out, meaning first we'll find g of negative 2. There's g of x. This will just be negative 2 minus 7, which is negative 9. So then we'll do f of that, which is 2 times negative 9 squared plus 3 times negative 9. Negative 9 squared is 81. 2 times 81 is 162. 3 times negative 9 is negative 27. So f of g of negative 2 equals 135. Part B, g of f of negative 2, work inside, work our way out, or work from the inside out rather. So this time first we'll do f of negative 2, which is 2 times negative 2 squared plus 3, not plus 3x. I'll plug into that x2 plus 3 times negative 2. Negative 2 squared is 4. 2 times 4 is 8. 3 times negative 2 is negative 6. So g of f of negative 2 is 2, except wait, you know what? I'm not done. I keep wanting to do that for some reason. And so now that's our f. Now we work out. Now we deal with our g. So g of 2, which is 2 minus 7, which is negative 5. Here's some more functions. F of g of 4, inside out. Let's do g of 4 first. This is 1 over 3 times 4 plus 1, which is 1 over 13. So we did our g. Now let's do f of that number we just got, f of 1 over 13. This is 1 over 13 squared, because f of x is x squared. 1 squared is 1. 13 squared is 169. There we go. I'm going to rewrite this one as g of f of 4 like this. Same thing, just looks better. Inside out. Now we'll do f of 4 first, which is 4 squared, which is 16. G of 16, which is 1 over 3 times 16 plus 1. 3 times 16 is 48, plus 1 is 49. So this is 1 over 49. Now what if we're actually plugging in variables? So for part C, f of x minus 5, we'll just be putting in x minus 5 for x. So instead of x squared, it's x minus 5 squared. Keep in mind that is not x squared minus 25. This is equal to x minus 5 times x minus 5, because the power of 2 just means multiply 2 of them. And this is x squared minus 5x minus another 5x plus 25, which is x squared minus 10x plus 25. Next, we'll look at g of x minus 5. So we'll put x minus 5 in for that x right there. So this is equal to 1 over 3 times x minus 5 plus 1, which is 1 over 3x minus 15 plus 1, which is 1 over 3x minus 14.